Secret messaging is very much the talk of the hour as it keeps your conversation safe from prying eyes. To stub the menace of snooping and hacking, many secret messaging apps can be your go-to option and promise to keep your privacy intact by offering you end-to-end encryption services. Here are some of the best secure messaging apps you can check out. 1. Signal Private Messenger. Using Signal, you can communicate instantly while avoiding SMS fees, create groups so that you can chat in real time with all your friends at once, and share media or attachments all with complete privacy. The server of this private message app never has access to any of your communications and never stores any of your data. The secret text app uses an advanced end-to-end encryption protocol that provides privacy for every message every time. 2. Viber. Featuring amongst the best video chat apps today, Viber is a famed secret messaging app that is simple, fast, secure, and also free. As per recent statistics, this secret conversation messenger currently has more than 1 billion users globally. So if you are looking for the best way to secretly text or make high-quality calls for free, then check out Viber. 3. Threema. Threema ranks among the top secret message apps and promises to keep your data out of the hands of hackers, third-party developers, and governments. The encrypted messaging app can be used anonymously, allowing people to make end-to-end encrypted voice calls, and offers every feature one would expect from a state-of-the-art encrypted chat app. 4. Telegram. Telegram is one of the best encrypted messaging apps and features amongst the best social media apps on the market. It connects people over a distributed network of data centers around the globe. The encrypted text app has been able to garner over 400 million active users over the past 4 years. The user can even create group chats for up to 2 lakhs members, share large videos, documents of any type, and set up bots for specific tasks. This private texting app is the perfect tool for hosting online communities and coordinating teamwork. 5. Silence. Silence is a fast, multifaceted, private, and best secret app for chatting where users can send messages, photos, videos, voice notes, location, and whatnot without spending any money. Apart from this encrypted message app can be checked for its security by auditing its code by anyone. Silence is also supported by various platforms including Android, iOS, Windows OS, Mac OS, etc. 6. Wire. The Wire app offers some of the most conventionally used chat features alongside strict privacy and protected communications concepts. The secret text app works on all major social platforms, so your chats, files, and calls are always in sync. 7. Wickr Me. Wickr messaging protocol enables strong end-to-end encryption and perfects forward and backward secrecy for user content, making it one of the best couple apps to use today. 8. Mattermost. Mattermost is the next encrypted message app that falls under the list of top secret chat apps. Many people consider this secret text app as their go-to app as it provides them with all the features in one place. 9. Snapchat. Over the past year, Snapchat has had its ups and downs, but even after all of that, it is still the best security app when it comes to secure messaging apps. Nowadays, the platform is also gaining popularity for its snapping tool. 10. Dust. Dust is one of the best encrypted messaging apps that combines the ease of a text with the safety of a private phone call. Messages on the Dust app can never be recovered, unlike standard text messaging where everything you say is stored on mobiles or servers. 11. WhatsApp. Who doesn't know about WhatsApp? The cross-platform messaging app service is a well-known platform to exchange text and share files over the internet. After some controversy, the private texting app also introduced end-to-end encryption to offer much secure service to its users, and it paid off well. Even in the case there comes any security breach of some hacker successfully invading the system and getting a hold of the WhatsApp messages, still, he won't be able to decrypt the conversation. All thanks to the encryption and WhatsApp policy of not storing the messages in its server. 12. Line. The best thing about Line apps is that the user can choose to turn on or off the end-to-end encryption. The encryption feature is called letter sealing and can be used by everyone. A large number of users are also considered the best app to hide text messages. 13. Hike Sticker Chat. The Hike is an encrypted text app with unique stickers that can make your texting and calling experience fun. This app will let you express yourself without using any words. Create your Hike emoji and text your heart out. 14. Voxer. If you are keen on protecting your real phone number and want to text someone something, then this app is right for you. With Voxer you can not only send unlimited messages to someone but also you can share your photos and videos privately. This is the most secure messaging app to use and makes you completely untraceable. Get free phone numbers from different countries and protect our real information. 15. Smiley Private Texting SMS. Smiley Private Texting app is the best messaging app to hide messages. The app can be used to make a business deal or on Craigslist in cases where you don't want people to know your number. 16. CoverMe. When it comes to private text messaging and secure calling, CoverMe has got your back. As a private messenger, CoverMe offers calls from a burner line that means the connection cannot be tracked easily. Not only this, but the app also lets you hide your texts, videos, passwords, or any other files. That's the end of this video. Hit the like button, leave your comments and share with your friends. For more videos don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.